This is the BBC.
This podcast is supported by advertising outside the UK.
One size fits all seems like a good idea for clothes until you try them on. Same goes for healthcare. That's why United Healthcare offers flexible, budget-friendly coverage for medical, vision, dental, and more. Learn more at uh1.com.
Hey, I'm Ryan Reynolds. Recently, I asked Mint Mobile's legal team if big wireless companies are allowed to raise prices due to inflation. They said yes. And then when I asked if raising prices technically violates those onerous two-year contracts, they said, "What the f*** are you talking about, you insane Hollywood ass?" So to recap, we're cutting the price of Mint Unlimited from $30 a month to just $15 a month. Give it a try at mintmobile.com/switch.
$45 up front for 3 months plus taxes and fees. Promo rate for new customers for limited time. Unlimited more than 40 gigabytes per month. Slows full terms at mintmobile.com.
BBC Learning English.
During is a preposition. It means throughout a particular period of time. It's commonly used with time words like the morning, the day, and the night. I work during the day, but my husband works during the night. You mustn't use mobile phones during the test. During can go at the beginning of a sentence or in the middle. We go to the beach during the summer. During the summer, we go to the beach. During is also used to mean some time between the beginning and end of a period of time. I lost my purse during the trip, but I don't know exactly where or when. My phone rang during the meeting. I hope you've been paying attention during this episode.
You're listening to bbclearningenglish.com.
Welcome to The Bright Side, a new kind of daily podcast from Hello Sunshine, hosted by me, Danielle Robay.
And me, Simone Boyce. Every weekday, we're bringing you conversations about culture, the latest trends, inspiration, and so much more. We'll hear from celebrities, authors, experts, and listeners like you.
Bring a little optimism into your life with The Bright Side. Listen to The Bright Side from Hello Sunshine on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts.